Hey y'all. So as you can see, it's super windy today. It's not like the worst wind that we get. We get some bad winds, but look at these tree trellises holding up just fine. Look at that tomato down there. That's almost the same spot that I planted the tomato last year that I had on the original tree trellis, which is that one that survived Helene. And so this is something I'm just going to keep doing because they're already here. That means I don't have to buy any trellises. I don't have to do anything but just weave some plants together, and it works great. And it provides shade.